How to fix TikTok app crashing on Android. So, in order to fix this problem, you can simply update the application by visiting the Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in TikTok and hit search. Now tap on the logo of the TikTok and try to update the application. If there is an update, instead of open, simply press on the update icon and your app will auto update. And if it shows open, that means your app is already up to date. But for future use, you can always enable auto update by pressing on the vertical dots and tap on enable auto update. So as simple as that. Now close the application. Now long press on the application and tap on the app info icon. It will lead you to settings. Scroll down to storage section and we'll try clearing out the cache. Simply tap on clear cache and now hit back. And finally tap on the force stop icon and tap on OK. Then finally close all the application from menu. Close all and now try reopening the app and your problems will be fixed. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. In this way you can easily fix TikTok app crashing problem on your Android device. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel.